Hey everyone, it's Gina B here, and we're about to do a single song track. It is all about the legs with a little bit of HIIT, so let's go. Get fit, lose weight, and have fun with way more motivation on the daily. Join my free 5-day workout challenge. Okay, I love this song so much. I hope it gets you in the mood for squats and reverse lunges. Let's start. We got 4 beats. Here we go, squat. 2, 3, 4, take it back. 2, 3, 4. Oh yes, we're staying low the whole time. Take it back. Let's stay on balance, Gina. And you with me too. Beautiful, take it back. All right, that's it. Hold it here. Let's dance it out. Because this HIIT track needs to involve some dancing. No walk away. 2 kicks. Kick, kick, jack. And kick, kick, jack, in, out, go. Woo! See, it really picks up right there. Come on, come on. Oh, like a light switch. Now, if you want to make it low impact, you can go like this. That's the alternative. All right, hold it there. Pulse. Straight back into it. This side. Go, go. Make sure your knees are traveling over your toes. Your body's lifted. Woo! Feeling that burn on those pulses. Come on, drive that knee down. Other side. Oh yes, oh yes. Hold it there. This is my little breather. For you and for me. I'm gonna walk away. 2 kicks. Go, go. Come on. Body. Woo. Come on. Pump it up. Go. All right. We're gonna take it up. We're gonna travel it. All right. Hold it here. Go forward. Now jack it back. Low impact looks like this. And tap, 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 tap. Oh, take it big with me. And take it back. Hold it there. And kick, kick, tap, tap. This is your quick breather.
You know how to just make me want to.
Ready, go! It's deceiving, that little break. Come on, woo! Go! Come on, come forward, go! Take it back. Woo! And again, go! And out, out. Give me one more set like this. Come on. Take it down. You did it. Done and dusted. Okay, if you guys love this one, click on the next screen and let me take you to a HIIT workout that's a lot longer so you can get that heart rate up and pumping. Otherwise, I'll catch you for another workout another day. Bye for now.